Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So students, welcome to computer class. So from we have started with the fourth lesson and we have learned some types of word processor. So in that we have learned about MS WordPad, MS Word, Open Office Writer, Google Docs. So all the processors we can use for creating a document to editing a documents, right? So now we are going to learn a most useful and widely used processor, word processor, that is MS Word. Actually in types of word processor we have learned MS Word in short, right? We have learned the features as well, right? Some features of MS Word. Now we are going to learn in detail about MS Word, that is how to start MS Word, what are the parts of their windows, what is the actual features it has. So let's start learning about MS Word, and the first point is introduction to MS Word. In that we are going to learn how to start MS Word. MS Word is widely used for creating electronic as well as printed documents. So with the help of MS Word you can create in hard copy as well as soft copy, I will say. Okay, so you can create an electronic document or printed document. Electronic documents means what? Which is there in the computer, and a printed documents when it comes on a paper, you can take a printout of your documents, right? You can use MS Word to create different types of documents such as books, reports, letters, newsletter and more. So these are the some examples which kind of documents you can prepare in the MS Word. So you can create an documents like a book, reports, letters, you can type into it. Even you can type in newsletters also. I will say as a teachers we use MS Word to create a question papers, right? So and more may question papers be you can add. Let us learn how to start MS Word using the computer. So you have to learn this process how to start the MS Word. So first thing you need to click on start menu, right? Start button पे आपको click करना है. You all know where is the start button. On the desktop we have in the left corner, left hand side. So you need to click on start button. This kind of pop-up menu will appear. From that you need to click on first program, all programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word 2010. Here you can see Microsoft Office. From Microsoft Office you need to select Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word 2010. First thing you will do, first thing you are going to start the computer, then you are going to click on start button. After that you need to click on all programs, then Microsoft Office and then Microsoft Word 2010. So now turn your page on page number 32. They have shown us a window of MS Word. When you open the MS Word application, this kind of window will appear on your screen. Okay, they have shown us in us figure 4.6 MS Word 2010 application window. So this is the process how to open MS Word. MS Word interface. The application window is an interface between the user and MS Word. The blank document displayed within the document window represents a blank piece of paper. So you can see a blank display is there, a blank document is there. So it is nothing, it is a blank piece of paper. As we type in a text, it appears on the document just like a typewriter. So how you type the keys on keyboard? So the letters will appear on this page. Okay. Now let us learn about the different parts of the window. To use MS Word for creating documents, you need to be familiar with its interface. So now we are going to learn about the window parts. What are the different parts of the window in MS Word, and that will help you to use MS Word easily. So let's learn. First thing we have learned that this blank area means it is a blank piece of paper, right? And as when you type letters on keyboard, it will appears on your paper. First thing you can see in this page number 32 figure 4.7, they have shown us a window of MS Word. And see here, this is the quick access toolbar where we have the shortcut of saving, redo, undo, right? Next we have a title bar. So it shows us a file name. Again we have a ribbon over here, right? Then we have work area, means the blank piece of paper. It is called as a work area. Next you can see your status bar, on which page you are current location. It will shows you. You can see here the page 1 of 1, means only one page is there and you are on the first page only because it's a blank document. Next you can so students, this is the interface, or this is the window of MS Word. So we are going to learn in detail about this parts of window. So as if now learn the process of how to start the MS Word and learn the parts of window. So I hope you all have understood whatever we learn. We just learned about how to start the MS Word and which are the parts of the window in MS Word. Thank you, students.